Yeah, I'm waiting, buddy. Okay, please.
Okay, good morning everyone. And today's presentation for me is going to be about oogenesis. So basically in biology, we want to go through the topic. If you go through the heading itself, we can understand the gist of the topic basically. So here oogenesis means oo refers to ovo or egg, whereas genesis refers to the formation. So it is the formation of egg or ovo in female. Okay. So this is all about oogenesis. Let's go in deeper in the next slides. Okay, when you come to the textbook definition, okay, oogenesis is the formation of female gametes when its germ cells in the ovaries undergo differentiation to form mature eggs, which is capable of fertilization. Okay, this is the textbook definition. But it is all about the formation of female gametes in the ovaries. That is the topic. Okay, and unlike spermatogenesis, oogenesis is a discontinuous process. Okay, it is not a continuous process like spermatogenesis because it has too many halts in between till like from the birth till the menopause time, no? Till that it has too many halts in between. So let's see about that. Okay. Coming to the stages, we have three main stages, which is multiplication phase, growth phase, and maturation phase. Okay. Why it is called a discontinuous process? See, once a female fetus is formed in a mother's womb, it initially has 1,700 primary follicles. Okay, initially it has 1,700 primary follicles, but in the gestation period, it gradually increases to 6 lakhs primary follicles. Okay, in the second month of period, and later in fifth month, it increases to 7 million primary follicles. Okay, next slide. Okay. After the birth, after the birth of the female, artesia, a process called artesia takes place. In that, the shrinking of the primary follicles takes place. So that from 7 million follicles, the 2 million, it will be getting reduced to 2 million follicles. Once the female fetus is born, the baby, it has only 2 million primary follicles. Initially, it was having 7 million, and now it is of 2 million follicles. Okay. Now, after the birth till puberty, there will be no formation. Only the 2 million primary follicles will remain static. There will be no increase or decrease. Okay. So here we have a halt, right? After the birth till puberty, you have nothing happening, so there is a halt. Okay. During puberty, what happens is, again, 2 million follicles is reduced into 60 to 70k primary follicles. Okay, and only one out of the 500 primary follicles will be stimulated by the follicle stimulating hormone. Okay, only think of only one out of 500 follicles will mature as the egg. So the remaining will be eliminated as a menses. Okay. Okay, let me explain it in the board so that you will not forget the flow chart.
Sorry, I'm so sorry.
Let me sit in this.
Hmm?
You just do this and you want it.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
In
Iri.
In multiplication phase, the primary follicles will divide into two, okay? And the Oogonian cells is always two. You have to keep that in mind. It is always two, okay? And later, it will divide like this. This is the first polar body, okay? And this is primary cell. Okay. Here you have two processes going to happen. Here a process called vitlogenesis will happen. That is, the yolk will be accumulated in the egg. Here only the yolk will be accumulated in the egg. And And here one more. Here you will be having one more process. Here the Oogonian cells will be arrested in the diploid stage of meiosis 1. Okay. Why? Because till puberty, I said no that Oogonian cells will not multiply. So in this stage it will get arrested in the diploid stage of meiosis one. Okay. If you notice the size of the oocyte, here you have smaller, right? The size of the oocyte is smaller here and it's larger. This is why because the polar body, the Oogenesis cells, which is going to be a polar body, is going to be eliminated, it's going to be degenerated. The cytoplasm here will be accumulated in a very less amount. Whereas here it will accumulate more because this is going to become an egg. So this is going to degenerate. So that the cytoplasm will be accumulated in a very less number. Okay. And later, this is called growth phase. This growth phase happens only when the particular female attains her puberty. The next phase is maturation phase. See, same here in maturation phase takes place only when the egg is triggered by the sperm. Till then, this process will not happen. Okay? Here it will be halted and monthly we'll be getting those messages. This is secondary oocyte. Okay? And here you have mitotic okay? Whereas in growth phase and maturation phase, you'll be having meiosis division. So here it will be meiosis 1 and here you will be having this meiosis 2. When you come to the polar body, this will completely degenerate. This is of no use. Only the primary oocyte and secondary oocyte will have a chance to form an egg. Okay? And this is all about the flow chart. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the flow chart. Is it okay? As I told, this is the diagram for the formation of Oogenesis. This is a very important stage, actually.
And let's see about the video.
While you release only a single egg each month, your partner releases millions of one of these processes So this video is about after this formation of secondary oocyte, this happens. This is the video about it. Thank you.